paano ba tayo mag-forgot password or mag-reset ng ating password? So, meron kasing bagong update ni SSS sa kanilang website. Pupunta lang po tayo sa ating browser, then i-type natin member.sss.gov.ph. Click natin dito guys yung forgot password. Ang isi-select natin dito guys yung member. So, meron tayong 4 na step para makapag-reset tayo ng password. So, meron tayong pagpipilian dito guys, multi-factor authentication, saka security questions. Multi-factor authentication, click natin, then next natin. Kailangan din natin i-enter yung CRN, saka yung SS number natin. So, click natin tong choose authentication. So, click natin to. So, antayin natin yung ating OTP dun sa ating number. Then, enter natin. Then, click natin yung proceed. Nominate password. So, mag-enter tayo ng new password. Then, click natin yung submit. Are you sure? So, click natin yung yes. Your password has been updated successfully. You may now log in to your account.